What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to Comment Sunday, where I just read some of your comments throughout the week and whatever's happened the car community on YouTube. Just kind of the end of the week car chat. And also I'm just going to give you some information how I plan to maybe get a project car for the channel, and what cars I have in mind. I don't want to spoil it. But just basically the plans going forward and what I might be able to do, and explain everything of, ifs and buts and all that kind of stuff. This shouldn't be too much long of a video. Well, if you're new to this channel, guys, like every Sunday, like I just basically bring up your comments that you've commented on videos throughout the week. And it's a fun way to interact with you guys, because you're the ones that make this channel possible. And it's a discussion channel, so if there's any channels you want me to check out, or any grievances, or any channels you want to praise, again, comment below, guys. I love bringing up your comments and chatting to you guys in the comments below. And subscribe. Every subscription we get, I know I'm a small channel, it doesn't harm to hit the subscribe button and give the channel a chance, and just watch it grow. And hopefully we can get a project car in the summer. Because where I am in Ireland, there's no supercars, so it is kind of hard for me. And obviously, I've rent to pay and all that kind of stuff. But I'll get into that later. As you can see, just on my channel page here, guys, I didn't post that much this week, so there's only one or two comments for me to just check out. My latest video was Manny Koshman buys 4GT. There was no comments on that. That's fine. I say, guys, I have very small views for being such a small channel. On the Amelia Harfer one, now that did get a few views, but there was one or two comments on this. I want to check it here quickly. Oh yes, Matt Armstrong actually commented on my video, because I did cover him in it, which was brilliant. I was shocked that he actually covered me or commented on my video, which is great. He's been killing it, guys. Definitely, if you're into modified cars, check out his channel. His next two projects with the Gallardo and his White Arch Gran Turismo is going to be sick. I'm glad he took his time out of his day to actually recognise that I, on it and commented. It's a nice thing to do for smaller channels. And smaller channels need to stick together, and he's doing brilliantly as well. And Jeremy Prepaway, he commented, "Thanks for keeping it real. I hope you stay that way if your channel makes it big and you don't start acting fake and staying out." It's a good comment, as in, like, thanks very much, Jeremy. But I'm just doing this for a bit of fun. If I was to ever get big, like we're going full time, like where this would be a full time job. Making content, I don't want to sell out. I don't want to make clickbaity titles. I don't want to act fake. I've no reason to. It's not me. I don't give a shit. It's all the one to me, really. Like, I just want to make content and chat to you guys about cars, and I want to learn more about cars as well. That's kind of the plan for the channel. I want to, obviously do podcasts with other car YouTubers and get, stories from them. I want to make it as interesting as possible. I want to do vlogs, modify cars, bring other channels on here. I don't want to be just stuck to me sitting here all the time, which would be the bread and butter of the channel. But look, what you see is what you're going to get. Like, I'm just going to say whatever's on my mind. I'm not here to... I will give praise to other channels where it's due, but I am going to criticise channels for bad content as well and stupid decisions, because it's my thoughts and opinions. I'm not going to try and be fake, and it is what it is. I'm not going to... I hate clickbait titles, one of my biggest pet peeves, and I don't want to do that. I just want to... If you're looking for a channel that's going to be straight up and like say fuck this, I just want to be straight honest with you. I am, and in today's video I'm going to tell you what's going to happen with getting a project car and where we are. So I am going to keep it real, like, and hopefully you guys will get involved below. Say whatever you're not happy about, whatever channels, or tell me channels to check out. There's one or two other channels out there that are similar, but you don't see them kind of interacting with their subscribers and doing that with them. And I even want to bring subscribers on the channel and chat to them on a podcast. Another channel is doing that, but a lot of people don't want to come on, so I still am looking for people to come on the channel and chat about other channels. But hopefully, if you're interested, guys, hit me up on my Instagram and we'll sort something out. It'll be definitely fun to do. As I said, I want to make this a bit different. And yeah, I mean, look, it's going to take time for the channel to grow, guys. It really is. I was trying to think who else. As I said, I didn't make that many videos. Maybe there was a comment on this one. I'm trying to remember. No, there was, but I can't see them. Or can I? No. Yes. No, I can't see it. That happens as well sometimes, guys. I don't know why, but people comment on my videos, and for some weird reason, I can't see them or reply to them. I have no idea why this is done. It's very, very annoying. I wish I could see what was said on it to show you whoever commented. There's no comments in that one, but damn it, I'm annoyed. I thought I could have been able to see those 2 comments, and yeah, was there any comments? Oh yeah, actually we are going to cover this. My podcast. So I did my podcast with Life of Hemi about Mr. Organic, I think, and as well, guys, I'm sorry about the quality. I use IV cam, as you probably know, to record, to come off my phone, and it should have been recording in 1080p, but it didn't, and it came off in like 460 or something really bad. So, and my mic was supposed to go through my microphone I had plugged in, but it didn't. It went through the computer mic and sounded shitty. But that's, if you haven't checked out, guys, check out even the small clips I put in. That's something I want to do, is do something with other car YouTubers as well. Elliot Alves actually commented this, saying now he's another person I'm hoping to get on the channel soon. What a fascinating story. I feel bad for him, but I also think this is a great learning opportunity. It's just awful when you meet your hero and they are worse than you could ever imagined. I hope Hemi's channel continues to grow after his experience. He seems like a genuinely nice dude. Great interview. I hope we get Elliot on. He's another small YouTube channel. Well, he's a lot bigger than me anyway, but yeah, it was great interviewing Life of Hemi, just having a chat with him about his experience with organic. I mean, like, think about it this way, guys. I just want to be like kind of like Joe Rogan, but for cars, and just have a chat about shit that's going on. Somebody else commented, organic is pure trash. He lost a chunk of his subs and views are super low for months now. Organic can't get views on his own. He's milking Life of Corey views now. I mean, look, I don't know how organic's getting subs. I honestly don't. He really is faking it to make it. He made another video faking it about getting a mention. He's not buying a fucking mention. Like, he's just lying as usual. I can't stand channels that clickbait and lie, and he's constantly doing it. So yeah, it's just shitty that he has to do that because his channel is shit. And yeah, it's just, I can't believe people are falling for the fake bullshit he puts out there. Look, guys, you can't see through it. That's your own problem. But Ice Cream and a lot of other channels will call him out, and it's pretty obvious what he's doing. He's ripping people off and making shit fake content. That's just the way it is, and that's why he screws Life of Hemi over for $1,200 for a collab that practically was shit. So, you know, there's another thing as well. Yeah, and then sort of DMan69, wow, frustrating story, but I really admire the way he handled it. Seems like a genuine good person, rare for YouTube, which Life of Hemi is. Highly recommend go over and check out his channel. But yeah, he did get screwed over by organic as well. But yeah, guys, I mean, that's kind of, whenever I do these kind of podcasts with our car YouTubers, I'll break them down into smaller videos as well. And I'm thinking of getting a WebEx license so that the actual things can be longer. So yeah, I just want to cover those comments. Again, guys, get involved, comment below, and hit the bell icon and subscribe so I can bring up your comments on next week's videos. I am going to do a short video out tomorrow. You got to keep an eye on it. It's a question for you guys about a car channel that seems to be starting to piss off its subscribers a small bit, a very small minority, but I want to see what your reactions are. As for getting a project car, guys, I mean, look, all I can say is what I've done is I've basically opened up an account. I've €200 saved. The project car is going to be anywhere between 1,000 to maybe 2,500, 3,000 euros. I'm saving for a mortgage. I have a lot of bills to pay. You know, I've got a normal job like everybody else, so I want to make this channel self-sufficient. So far, I think we're around the €100 mark that we've made on the channel. I'm going to just keep making videos and try and let it build up to at least 800 to 900 euro. If I have to back maybe 200 euro of my own money, you know, to get a project car in the summer, I'll do it. But I have 3 or 4 cars in mind. When we get closer to getting it, I'll reveal what cars they are and see which one you want me to get. One, hopefully it's still there, but I think it's sitting in a yard for years. It's a JDM car. Another car I have in mind is a 2-seater sports car, be more up to date. But yeah, it's just going to take time, guys, and I just got to keep pumping out videos for you. And you know, I know a car on this channel, a car project, is what people want to see, but I'm not rich, guys. All these other YouTubers, like, you know, Stradman and all of them, they've all got money. A lot of these YouTubers have started, not every one of them, but a lot of the big ones have already had money when they started as well. So we've just got to start from the bottom up, and you know, I'm just going to stick with it. And obviously I got my editor who helps me with editing videos on the weekend, Luke. So he's brilliant. So when I start doing vlogs, we won't be coming out of lockdown in Ireland until at least May. So a 6-month lockdown for us is killing us here. It's killing me because I just want to get back to the gym and go out and do a few vlogs for you guys. But I can't. So here we are. But look, guys, that'll wrap it up for today's video. I know I've been dragging it on long enough. But yeah, look, if you liked it, get involved, comment below. Tomorrow's video is going to be a short one, not too long, but it's a good one. It's a question for you guys about another car channel. And yeah, guys, just look, give the channel a chance, and please give this channel, you know, give the video a like. And all my regular commenters, comment below. And yeah, we shall see you in the next video. So until then, stay safe and keep it lit.